House Design Spot presents Preston Hollow Residence by Specht Architects. The design of Specht's Preston Hollow 8,000 square foot house was driven by the desire to blur the lines between inside and outside while providing a sense of privacy and seclusion from the street and surrounding neighborhood, at the homeowner's request. Its design is influenced by strategies common to classic Dallas modern homes of the 1950s and 60s. Heavy cast concrete walls extend from the interior of the house out into the landscape, breaking the modern box and creating courtyards that allow for a bright, nature-filled view from every room. This effect is complemented by the huge glass walls that define each space. The roof shape and large cantilevered overhangs were carefully configured to provide complete shading from the harsh Dallas sun at all times of day. An Impluvium, or opening in the center of the roof, is modeled on those found in traditional Roman houses, and allows rainwater and light to reach the garden below. Of Dallas modernism. Dallas has a long tradition of modern architecture that faded for decades and is now experiencing a resurgence. The home sites of central Dallas, which are urban, relatively dense, and close to the city center, have driven a unique residential architecture with shaded and screened living spaces that are inward-looking and private. Large operable areas of glazing allow for extensive natural ventilation during appropriate seasons. The Impluvium allows rainwater to reach the courtyard garden and water collection area below. This rainwater is used for irrigation and other non-potable uses. The stream is punctuated by a series of cascading terraces and a gentle waterfall near the main entry. At night, lighting within the water casts changing patterns on the adjacent textured concrete surfaces. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel.